Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about cars. From the sky, cars look like works of art moving in the perfect harmony with road beneath them. There's something mesmerizing about seeing them from above, where every curve of the road, every shimmer of light on their sleek surface come to life. This is not just a drive, it's an aerial view of power, design, and pure elegance. The art of movement as the drone glides over these cars, you can see how effortlessly they move. It's as if they are cutting through the air with precision, every detail visible from this unique perspective. From the way the light reflects off the polished paint to the shadows they cast on the ground, this is where engineering meets artistry. Whether on a winding road or cruising through a city space, each car tells its own story from above, one of power, speed, and grace capturing the design. When you watch from this height, you truly appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into these machines. The drone camera captures the sleek curve, the sharp lines, and the aerodynamic shapes that makes each car stand out. From luxury sedans to powerful sports cars, every model has a presence that commands attention. You can see the thought and detail in every design choice from wheel to roof line. It's not just about performance, it's about creating something beautiful, something that moves with purpose and style. The power of performance. But the beauty does not stop with the design. There's power under the hood and from above, and you can see that raw performance in action. The drone captures the speed, the acceleration, the way these cars grip the road and the dominate as asphalt. Whether they are racing down open highway or gracefully navigating tight turns, each car demonstrates a level of control and power that's unmatched. From this bird's eye view, you can see the true capability of these machines. Now, in the end of this video, I'm going to make a conclusion of this video. As the drone rises higher, the cars becomes part of landscape moving effortlessly through the world. This aerial view reminds us that cars are more than just vehicles, they are expression of innovation. The aerial view reminds us that cars are more than just vehicles, they are expressions of innovation, style, and power. Whether you are behind the wheel or watching from above, you can't help but admire the craftsmanship. This performance and the pure thrill of the drive. From this perspective, every car becomes a masterpiece, gliding through life with purpose and beauty. We hope you people enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our this video because this will a really great inspiration for me.